Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today we are going to unbox Envy's Micki in a brand new color, Platinum Shadow. This wig was provided to me by wigstudio1.com for review, so be sure to go to Wig Studio One, have a look at these Envy. They have come out with some beautiful new colors, so be sure to check all of those out. I wanted to show you how this comes boxed, so let's get busy and look at Envy Micki in Platinum Shadow. Okay, let's unbox Envy's Micki and Platinum Shadow. If you want to know what I'm wearing, be sure to check the drop down box below this video. I will link all the information down there. Okay, comes in this beautiful white and gold Envy box. And I'm really curious to see this color. I really am. Okay, so the first thing, they have this care card. And it says take care, and it gives you all kinds of information. I think this is such a great thing that they do. Tell you how to wash it, how to condition it, what you can and cannot use on it as far as styling tools. Lots of good information on these cards that Envy is putting in here. All right, now there is no net on this one. Just like that. It is clipped into these bobby pins, so let me get that out. Okay. Oh, all right. This is pretty. It has a mono top and a lace front. Show you that. Very big. Nice size mono top there. Open wefted. Now this one has open ear tabs with stays. It has an extended open nape and it has pull adjusters. Now let's see. If it has stretch. Oh yeah, has a lot of stretch here. Now let's look at Platinum Shadow. Yeah, just what I was hoping it would be. Really pretty. Look at this color. They describe it as the coolest of the lightest blondes with a dark root, and I think that is a good description. There is a lot of platinum here. I'll of course show you this in outdoor lighting. I can tell this is going to be a super lightweight style. Has all these fun razored ends. I've reviewed Micki before. I have Micki in, I think I had it in chocolate cherry if I'm not mistaken. This color is gorgeous. I cannot wait to try this on. This is a good price point on this wig as well. All right, let's try it on. Okay, let's give it a good shake, of course. See how this fits. Okay, this fits snug. Just let you know. Fits pretty snug on me. You get these ear tabs straight. This is just a fun, spiky. I'm going to really be able to play with this. You know, the first thing I'm going to do is run some water through it. See what we got here? Yep. Now this could not be any easier. This is a true out of the box, throw on and go. Put some styling product through here to really spike this up. I'm just putting some water on it. I always do that. That just kind of gives me an idea of what I've got here to work with. Oh yeah, this is so cute. I like it. Listen, it's getting warm down here. Summer's going to be here before I know it. And this is the perfect style for that. It's going to have, let's see, this nape feels like it is fitting pretty close to the neck. Yeah, this is fine. Has this a little bit longer. Coming around here, you can wear this on or off the face. Tons of layers here. Again, lace front. Make sure you get a look at that. Now fit. There's my bow hair. Both sides has a nice fit. Ear tabs fit right at the top of my ear. Let's see about styling. Yep. So that mono feature lets you have the options of really moving this around anywhere within that mono top. I like that. Wearing it down, over. Can do a lot with this, however you want to do it. I like these out of the box. Throw on and go. Messier the better. I run my brush up through the back like that just to get that back spiked up just a little. It doesn't get much easier than that. Okay, we're talking about styling. I have just a little bit of sea salt spray. I'm going to spray it on here just to give you an idea of what I'm talking about when I was saying put some product in it. And you see, this really pieces this out. It gives it a really piecey, fun look. I ran it through the bang so I can pull the bang down. I'm going to pull it all towards my face just for fun. Got that look. I can tuck it behind my ear if I want. Yeah, lots to do here. Wear it with headband. Let's see if I pull it all the way off. You can do that. Pull down, just pull out a little bit around the face. You know, you see me do that all the time. Just however you want to do it. No right or wrong, right? It's all personal preference here. Yeah. They did a nice job with this color. Very nice. I like the darker root. I don't think it's too dark against this platinum. And let's look at this color again. Like I said, I'm going to take you outside and we're going to look at it. But this is really a beautiful, beautiful platinum running through here with this darker root and these different color blondes going through here. Yeah, really wearable, nice shade. Now let's talk about the specs. The front, 5.25. Again, you could trim this any way you would like. If you want to put some straight bang in here, you could. I'm not, because I like the versatility of this longer bang to sweep it to the side like that. It's a short sides of 2.5. Also a 2.5 inch nape on this one, and it weighs 2.22 ounces, so it is super, super lightweight. All right, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of this beautiful new color, Platinum Shadow from Envy. If you haven't already, check out my website, crazywiglife.com. I sell some of my personal collection there, and please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.